Are you looking for a school that can help your child to be creative, innovative, and confident? I suggest you stop searching, because in most cases, the smart kids are raised through simple daily activities at home. Yes, simple, fun, daily activities can actually rewire your child's brain for genius-level thinking. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 fun brain-boosting activities that not only make your child smarter, but also happier, confident, and creative. Let's begin. Activity number 1. Story building game. Start a story with one sentence and ask your child to continue it. Then you add another twist and keep going back and forth. This simple game improves imagination, language skills, and creative thinking. And the best part? Kids love it. Activity number 2. Puzzle time. Jigsaw puzzles, Rubik's cubes, or simple brain teasers are great brain boosters. These gadgets train your child's brain to solve problems, focus longer, and think logically. Start small and slowly increase difficulty. Activity number 3. Memory tray challenge. Place 10 random objects on a tray. Show it to the child for 30 seconds. Then cover it. Now ask your child to recall as many items as possible. This simple activity will boost his memory power, observation skills, and attention to detail. Activity number 4. Why question game. Ask your child questions like, why do birds fly? Or why do we sleep? Encourage them to think, not just answer. This develops critical thinking, curiosity, and reasoning ability. Activity number 5. Music and rhythm play. Clap patterns. Play simple instruments, or let them dance to rhythms. Music strengthens their brain coordination, memory, and emotional intelligence. Even 10 minutes daily makes a difference. Try must. Activity number 6. Building blocks and Lego. Give your child blocks and let them build anything. No instructions, no limits. This improves creativity, spatial intelligence, and problem solving. Let them fail and rebuild. That's where real learning happens. Activity number 7. Role play activities. Let your child pretend to be a doctor, teacher, or shopkeeper even. This boosts confidence, communication skills, and social intelligence. And it also helps them understand the real world. Activity number 8. Outdoor exploration. Take your child outside. Let them observe trees, insects, sky, people. Ask questions like, what do you notice? Or what do you think this is? Nature stimulates curiosity, observation, and natural intelligence. Try must. Activity number 9. Drawing and creative art. Give your children colors, paper, and freedom. Let them draw what they think. Don't correct them. Don't judge them. Even don't disturb them by noticing critically. Art enhances imagination, emotional expression, and brain flexibility. Activity number 10. Daily problem-solving tasks. Give small challenges like, how can we organize these toys? Or how can we save time in the morning? This builds decision-making, independence, and real-life intelligence. Final note, dear parents, raising a smart child is not about pressure. It's about the right environment. When children play, their brains grow. When they explore, they learn. And when they feel safe, they become unstoppable. So, start small. Pick 2 or 3 activities today and make brain development a fun daily habit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Balanced Parenting for more powerful parenting tips. Because your child deserves the best version of you.